Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And this page has been a blessing to you. Please check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I do have a special treat for you. Your word of the day is goodness. Give yourself some credit. Don't be so hard on yourself. Look how far you've grown. You've turned negative thinking into positive thinking. You turn resentment and grudge and depression into faith. And not only just faith, but works, because faith without works are dead. So you've been putting in work. Give yourself some gratitude. Give yourself some credit, because you rise above all the tests. And that made you stronger, wiser king and queen. Therefore, you're ready to succeed and lead your kingdom. Get ready to step into your place of glory. I refine my character and overcome difficulties by remaining positive. Isn't that right? I calm my heart and illuminate my intellect, because I'm a genius, and I transform shadow into light by leading with love, gratitude, and strength. We bend, but we do not break. Right, royalty? I consciously manifest goodness in and around me, and I improve the qualities that benefit for all and myself. Because you're a king, you're the queen. You have a whole kingdom to look forward to and take care of us. So as you take care of yourself and rise to your highest being, therefore you're smoothing out and making life better for your people. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.